Hi Joy, it's Gabriella. I'm going to show you how to combine 3 different Google Docs into one. I pulled up my drive and I opened the 3 documents so I can show you. Here's one, here's the second one, and here's the third one. So those are just examples of documents on Google Docs. What I'm going to do is just stick with this one and then go to a second one, this information spectrum. I'm going to control highlight everything that I want to copy over. So I'm going to copy all of this over. Highlight, 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 all the way to the bottom. And then right click, copy, and then go back to the original one and scroll to wherever you want and hit enter. And then I'm going to paste. And it's all there. Okay? And this is still the first one. So now I'm going to go to the third one. Highlight, highlight, highlight. Copy. Go back to that first one again. So here's the beginning of it. Here's that second part. And then I'm going to scroll to the bottom. Hit enter a couple of times to move it down, right click, and then paste. So now we have all of this on one document. Then I can save it and turn it into a PDF or a Word document and then submit it. Okay, so everything is now on one. I just copied it over, copied all of this, and I copied all of this, and I put it here. Please let me know if you have any more questions.